Here at Texas Toyota, before we had the AutoPoint system to do our multi-point inspection zone, we used Toyota's 27-point inspection form, which didn't allow for much elaboration on that form to get into the detail of what was wrong, and it caused a lot of communication problems between the shop and the advisors. The AutoPoint allows us to communicate with the shop, communicate with the parts department. There's features in that so that we can flag their attention, and then they can respond to us. We don't have to go try to hunt them down.
The AutoPoint saves me time. I can send a parts request, 2 parts, on my way to pulling the car into my stall. By the time I've got the vehicle in and hoisted for service, they have my parts pulled, and at that point I can make any additional recommendations, and I can monitor the AutoPoint screen and view any color changes in the flags to let me know if any additional recommendations have been approved.
Using AutoPoint with the advisors simplifies it for them. It's a simple way of, being effective is delivering the labor, delivering the parts. Everything's there in their hands. They don't have to pick up the phone and call a bunch of people. It's just simply there for them, and it helps them make an easier transition to the customer.
The clients just love this AutoPoint system. They'll tell me this is the best thing I've ever seen. Nobody's ever shown me a report like this. It makes it to where I can look it all over, and when I leave here, if I didn't get everything done, I know what I need to do when I come back next time, and I know what it's going to cost me.
When the customer has something presented to them, visual concepts sell versus, hey, we're just talking about it. So it helps deliver, facts, that they wouldn't typically have in a normal conversation. So when they can see what, be able to read about, what's going on with their vehicle and what's wrong with their vehicle in the MPI, it allows them to make better decisions based on what their needs are for their vehicle.
I would recommend AutoPoint to any other technician that's never used it. It's a great tool, it's a time saver, makes you lots of money in the future.
I couldn't imagine running a business this size without AutoPoint.
We definitely recommend AutoPoint to anybody who's considering this type of program. It's so much more efficient. How could you lose out on CSI, communication, increased sales, increased client retention? It would be silly not to take care of this program and to use it.